if you do need to replace the battery in one of your sensors, you're getting like a low battery like warning, or all like the sensors not working, grab the spanner that came in the kit onto here, hold it and spin. This will come off like so. Just make sure when you put it back together that bottom seal, because that's what keeps it waterproof, is in good condition. The battery can only push out the way it's supposed to, so you can see there's, hopefully see here, there's a couple of these little tabs here. Don't push it out that way, push it out the other way. You can just use the end of this like so. You can see we use actual Sonic like batteries in here. If you do replace it, try and replace it with a good brand. Panasonic, Maxwell are your main good brands of coin batteries. New battery just slides in like so. When I pushed it too far, it'll stop. It stops when it hits there. And then the cap goes back on like so. And that is done. If you are using internal sensors, they have a life of about 5 years, and once they're done. So you bin them. So whenever you change your tires, you normally just do that. And by 5 years, I actually mean it's actually more about time, because obviously if it's in a caravan, it probably won't get used as much. So that's how you replace the battery on an external sensor.